Today we're taking you inside one of Traverse City's most active indoor spots, Elev8 Climbing and Fitness. This place isn't just a climbing gym. It's a full-scale vertical playground with over 40-foot walls, bouldering walls, and challenges for every skill level. Whether you're a first-time climber or looking to level up your technique, Elev8 gives you the space to push yourself and try something new. We spent a couple hours climbing here, and by the end, we were definitely feeling it. Let's show you what it's all about on this episode of Traverse City Guide. Walking in, the front lobby immediately sets the tone. The check-in process was quick, staff was helpful, and we got fitted right away. Off to the side, there's a small retail shop with climbing gear available for purchase. We thought that the lobby was very warm, welcoming, and the staff didn't waste any time to educate us on our experience. The first area we saw was their bouldering area. We started off in this area, and this is a rope-free section where you climb lower walls using just your body and the holds. The layout was clean, with routes organized by difficulty using a color-coded system. There's a wide range of holds here, from large, confidence-building grips to smaller, more advanced ones that required precision. The entire area is padded with a thick, well-maintained floor system that added an important layer of safety. Every route challenged you in a different way, and we tried this a little bit and it was a lot of fun. Now the main climbing wall, which was over 40 feet tall. The main climbing wall is the centerpiece at Elev8 and features dozens of unique climbing routes. Some are straightforward vertical ascents, while others have steep overhangs that demand full body strength and endurance.
Gentleman said you got to keep your body up against the wall as much as possible in this one. And last time I did this, I got stuck almost right around here. So we will see how far I get up. Nope, that was it.
The wall uses a pegboard design, which means the team can easily shift the holds and create new challenges on a regular basis. No two visits are the same, and you can tell they take pride in keeping the layout fresh. Now, let's focus on their upper level climbing wall. Upstairs, Elev8 has an elevated mezzanine level climbing wall that's geared towards newer climbers or anyone looking for a more relaxed climbing experience. The routes here are shorter and a bit more approachable, but still varied enough to stay interesting. There are multiple auto belay stations on this level, which made it easier for people to try different routes without waiting on needing a climbing partner. The layout also gives you a great view over the rest of the gym, and it's a good place to build up confidence before moving to the big wall.
Life. All right, did it.
We ended up climbing for about 2 hours, and that felt like the perfect amount of time. It was enough to explore all the areas, push ourselves, and try new challenges, but also leave feeling like we got a complete experience. Elev8 offers day passes, memberships, climbing classes, youth programs, and fitness options like yoga and strength training. But even if you're just visiting once, it's a well-run gym that makes climbing accessible and enjoyable. Whether you're a local or just passing through Traverse City, Elev8 is definitely worth checking out, and make sure it's on your list. Elev8 is definitely worth checking out if you're looking for an indoor adventure that'll get you moving. Let me know in the comments below if you've given this a try before, or if you've tried indoor rock climbing somewhere else. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. We'll see you on the next guide.